There's a lot of ways you can make money by promoting other people's products that are selling on Amazon, and that's through the Amazon Influencer and the Amazon Associates program. But if you're unsure on what program to choose or the differences between the two, this video is for you. I'm going to be going into detail what the main differences are and which ones you should know about before joining either one so that you can join the program that will help you make the most money. The Amazon Associates program is an affiliate marketing program where you're going to earn a commission every time someone buys a product after clicking your product link. And so let's say if you had a website or a blog that you post on, or let's say that you had a website about nutrition or maybe like the ketogenic diet, and you post a blog about a recipe that you really like in a keto cookbook, and you reference that keto cookbook throughout your article, and you have a link to the specific cookbook that's being sold on Amazon. Let's say I read your blog and I click the cookbook link, buy it, you get a commission. And so it's really nice because you write that blog once, especially if it's evergreen content. If you write that blog once, then you're going to earn a commission every time someone looks up your blog, or you get a new visitor, or you get a new subscriber, whatever, and you're going to get a commission every time there's a sale made. The commission will be dependent on what category the product's in. The Amazon Influencer program is slightly different. It's geared more towards people who have a social media following, kind of a variation or branch off of the associate program, because you're still promoting products via product links. But this is going to be primarily through your social media channels. Specifically, if you have a YouTube channel, a TikTok, a Facebook page, not a Facebook profile, but a Facebook page, or Instagram. So you can earn commissions if you have a decent size or a sizable following on social media. But the other huge advantage to the influencer program is you're able to create product review videos for products that are going to be sold on Amazon. And so you don't necessarily have to have your own traffic, but you can make review videos for products and post them onto Amazon.com. And so whenever someone wants to buy that cookbook and they look it up on Amazon, instead of going through your site, and if they just go directly to Amazon and they see your review video and they watch it, then you're going to get a commission, which is a huge plus. These two ways to make money through the influencer program is called on-site and off-site commissions. But I'm going to go through that later. For now, I just want you to understand the main two differences between the two. Also, my name is Mark. This is a new channel, so if you could help me out and hit the like button to help the algorithm. And if just one person subscribed to my channel from this video, I'll continue to post about how to help you make more money on Amazon. Let's dive in. Like I've said before, the Associates program is for you if you have a blog or a website. And even if you don't have one of those things, if you have a desire to create a blog or website, because that's one of the main things you need in order to apply. So to apply to the Associates program, you really need three things. You need an Amazon account, you need a blog or a website, and you also need to eventually have 3 purchases via any product link on your blog or website within the first 90 days. Okay. And if not, then you kind of get removed and kicked out of the Associates program, but you can always reapply and go back in. And if you're thinking, okay, I'll just buy products on my own through my own link, they're going to catch you. And I've heard of people just having family members and friends buy products through their links. I've heard people get caught. I've heard them not get caught. But really, your best guess is to just do it the lean and mean way, the right way. And that's to promote products through your own website or blog. If you want the specific requirements, I'll leave a link to the program policies in the video description, but it does say right here that you need to have your own website and you need to submit the URL to that website when you do apply. I also found here in a different article, Amazon suggested that the best practice is to have at least 10 blog posts on your website before applying in case you're brand new. And so my recommendation, if you're brand new, is create a blog, create a website, and talk about a topic, about something that you know a lot about or something that you're passionate about. That'll make it a lot easier to remember products to refer and what to talk about when you're going to be posting these blogs. That's the Associates program. Personally, I think one of the best things about the Associates program is that if you know how to do keyword research and you know how to generate evergreen content, meaning you're going to post a blog about a topic that's consistently searched for all the time, then you're going to do really, really well with this program. because all you need to do is identify where the demand is, what the demand is through maybe Google Trends or some other keyword research tool. And if you're really good about being consistent posting blogs on a website, people will naturally search for your topics and they'll find your blog and they'll click it. Okay, it's just like how YouTube works. So there's a lot of advantages to the associates program, in my opinion. And like I said, how you get paid is you're going to get paid every time someone clicks your product link and purchases a product through your link. Now, typically, you're going to have to wait about 60 days till you get paid, because Amazon has a 60-day window just in case someone returns the product, which in my experience has been like only 5% of the time. So it's not super common, as long as you're honest about your feedback of using the product. Real quick, if you're wanting to learn how to get approved into the influencer program, I have a free masterclass where I'll explain what I did to achieve both of those things. And I'll leave that link down below in the video description and also the comment. It's completely free. Now, the Amazon influencer program might be more for you if you have a social media following or you're really active on either Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. But to explain it a different way, think about what Amazon's trying to do. They're trying to leverage, or they're wanting to leverage, your social media following and essentially drive that following through your channel to Amazon.com and to buy things from there. But really what they're trying to do is kind of just like when McDonald's selling any size soda for 99 cents or Jack in the Box 99 cents for 2 tacos. Once you get there, then there's a good chance you're going to be buying more. So that's what Amazon's basically trying to do. But it's a win-win because you can also, in turn, leverage their platform by creating product review videos for products that you have either purchased or not purchased, and essentially earn passive income whenever someone watches your video and makes a commission. So it's a huge, huge plus. There's actually 3 ways you can make money through the Amazon influencer program. The first is going to be through your own storefront. So this is like what mine looks like. This is where you can post your product review videos or even just photos, and they're going to all compile here. You can even create curations. So for example, I have a lot of like protein or protein bar videos or Lego videos here that I just kind of group together. But for the most part, what you're doing is you could take the storefront URL, you can put it in the bio of one of your social media channels or wherever, and people can click that link and then see all the products that you have created reviews from. The second way is by promoting products through your own social media channels. So for example, I created an Instagram account and I just started posting my product review videos here. And essentially, I just posted them and I have a URL to my storefront in my bio because Instagram isn't really optimized for links in the captions of your post. And so it's better to just have that one link in the bio. And if someone's interested, they can click that link and then see all the products I promote, okay? That's going to be the same for TikTok and Facebook. But if you have a YouTube channel, which I created a separate YouTube channel for product reviews, this is perfect for leaving the links to the specific product I left a review for in the description so that when someone clicks it, it goes directly to that product. So you kind of have to optimize. Another suggestion is you can use Linktree in your bio of these social media channels and not only have like links to products, but maybe product categories or your storefront URL or really whatever you want. And then the third and biggest way that you can make money through the influencer program is by on-site commission videos, meaning product review videos for products that you have either purchased or not purchased, but they are purchasable on Amazon, and you're leaving essentially product feedback or product review for these products. This is a huge opportunity because each product review video consists of mostly 3 things. It typically is 1 to 3 minutes long, sometimes low as 30 seconds, sometimes up to 5 minutes. It has to be purchasable on Amazon, and you have to make sure that you tag the specific and correct product that you're reviewing. And then once you do those 3 things and you post, then your product video is going to be linked to that product, which is crazy because every dollar spent online in the US, 50 cents through Amazon, so much traffic is going to Amazon. So you're leveraging Amazon even more than they're leveraging your social media channel, in my opinion, to create money, income, working from home, making passive income, just reviewing products. It's so mind-boggling to me. Now, the application process for the influencer program is a little bit more tricky. There's 2 parts to it. The first part is going to be verifying your social media engagement. And notice I said engagement, not like the number of followers you have, not like your most viral post. It's overall engagement. And that's going to be a combination of how often you post, how interactive you are on your channel, how often people actually like and pay attention to your post, because you can't just pull a fast one and create a dummy account and then apply and get approved. Like, they're going to check and you're going to know within a second if your channel gets approved or not. There are many times where people do not get approved the very first time, but luckily for you, there's unlimited times that you can apply with your social media channel. And so if you get denied, you can take 2 weeks, start posting your story, like other people's stuff, etc., and then reapply and then get in. So that's going to be part one. And then part two is going to be getting approved for on-site commissions, because once you're approved after part one, you can create a storefront URL. You can post product review videos, but they're not going to be seen on Amazon or on any specific products until you get approved for on-site commission. The approval process for on-site commission is you're going to submit 3 product review videos, and then a real person from Amazon will be watching your videos and either deem them good, like pass, this is a good video, it's quality, it's a real person, or they're going to deny it. But you only get 3 chances to get approved for this part. I have a full video explaining what I did exactly to get approved for this part, and I'll link it up to above. But this part is very, very important, because if you get denied 3 times, you have to start all over. So the approval process is a bit more detailed, but that's like the harder part. Once you get approved inside, you're good to go. You're good to just post content. But whenever you link products to either a post or your storefront URL, you need to disclose where you put your links in this section, in this box right here under account settings, to make sure Amazon knows where you're disclosing the links. Because if not, they're going to flag you. They do not want links to be spammy. They don't want links to be in private conversations, private Facebook groups, private communities, even email. Okay. Really, the only places where links are going to be approved will be through your website, your blog, or any of those 4 social media channels. So I'm not saying to copy and paste the URL to specific videos or blog posts here in this section, but you should just overall put the URL of your website or your YouTube channel here, and then that will cover all an existing posts that you do within each of those channels, if that makes sense. So I actually have like a full video on how to disclose links correctly that I'll link up to above, so that you can check that out and make sure you do that correctly. Just know this, I think that you can do really well and be successful with either program. I do think that you should just pick one and stay solely focused on that. Now, me personally, I've done this, and I've also seen other people do it, where they've created websites or blogs from scratch and got approved and started making money in these programs. So you don't have to be like a seasoned, experienced social media blogger, whatever, content creator to be doing these programs. You really don't, but it will take a little bit of work to get approved and get money coming in, but just know it's possible. And so if I could do it, you could do it. If you see other people do it, like, that means it's possible for you too. I personally believe that. Hopefully this video has given you at least some clarity on the differences between the 2 programs. And like I said, I have a free masterclass to the influencer program that I'll leave linked down to below. But of course, please hit the like button if this video has been helpful for you, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.